Backing up a DigitalOcean VPC is a crucial task to ensure business continuity and data protection. A virtual private cloud is a virtual network dedicated to your DigitalOcean account, and backing it up requires a thorough understanding of the process. First, you need to understand what a VPC backup entails. It involves creating snapshots of your VPC's resources, including droplets, volumes, and network configurations. To start the backup process, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the VPC section. Next, identify the resources you want to back up, such as droplets and volumes. You can create snapshots of these resources individually or use the DigitalOcean API to automate the process. To create a snapshot, click on the three dots next to the resource and select Create Snapshot. Another key concept is automating the backup process using DigitalOcean's snapshot scheduling feature. This allows you to schedule snapshots to be taken at regular intervals, ensuring your VPC is always up to date. To set up snapshot scheduling, go to the Settings tab and click on Snapshot Schedules. Best practices for backing up a DigitalOcean VPC include taking regular snapshots, storing them in a secure location, and testing the restore process. It is also essential to monitor your VPC's resources and adjust your backup strategy accordingly. In addition to snapshots, you can also use third-party tools to back up your VPC. These tools provide additional features, such as automated backup and restore, and can be integrated with your existing backup infrastructure. In conclusion, backing up a DigitalOcean VPC requires a thorough understanding of the process and the resources involved. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your VPC is always backed up and ready for recovery in case of an outage or data loss. Remember to always test your backups and adjust your strategy as needed to ensure business continuity and data protection.